Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this. You know what? Let me unbox first. Okay. I want you to see for yourself. I forgot my gloves, so let me put it on first. I just unboxed P80 from Option-O. My first impression looks very similar to P64. I'm looking at the P64 right now, slightly bigger. Okay. Obviously, 80 millimeter versus 64 millimeter. That's the size-wise. 80 is much bigger. But I mean, overall form factor pretty much identical there. But few things are quite different. Okay, a few things are quite different. So here's a knocker. Okay. And also, this is the RPM control dial. It's very clicky. Okay, you can hear the click each RPM. So adjustment. Let's take a look at catch cup. It's smaller. Okay, so this is the original P64. So this is the latest one. A little shorter, right? And this seems lighter as well. You know what? Let's see. About 155 gram. The old catch cup, 233. Yeah, make big difference there. Lighter. I don't know. Is lighter is better? I'm not quite sure. But just say it right on the top. Okay, fits nice. So, but I do like this knocker here. Very clicky, right? Very satisfying sound. Okay. You can actually, I can peel that one. P80 has two on and off buttons. The bottom one here, just on and off. The top one is purge. You're gonna hear the high pitch. Again, the top button is a purge function, which means you grind coffee. In the end, it's going to go high pitch, right? High RPM to purge the rest of the grind, grind inside as well. So you guys can hear that. So now, this one was available with P100. If you have a P100, you know what I'm talking about. So this is the P100 functionality there as well. So add it to knocker on the top. I'm gonna put right next to P64 and see. Let's take a look at the size difference. Comes to side-by-side comparison. It's hard to tell, guys. As you can see, it's very hard to tell there. with P64 controller, RPM controller, it's pretty smooth. And obviously one on and off switch compared to P64 or P80 is very clicky, right? So you know which RPM you are going into. And comes to sound wise, I feel like P64 is quieter than P80. So let's hear it. I'm going to start with the P64. I'm at the highest RPM, by the way. So let's go to P80. It's definitely P64 is quieter. Maybe it could be the burr size as well. So I thought it's very interesting. So again, 64 millimeter, just regular burrs, right? Regular burrs means has holes in it. Okay, just like this one has holes in it, 3 holes there. Obviously, the blind burrs does not have any holes. So comes to cutting surface, more cutting surface with P80, which means theoretically give you more uniform grind size. But we don't know that until we actually start brewing some coffee. Anyway, so this is the unboxing for now, and then we are going to really deep dive in P80 next couple of weeks. I do want to open up the internal as well, so you guys are going to see what that look like next couple of weeks as well. And we're gonna have some fun with it. One more thing before I let you go. I don't know why P80 has wire. So P80 has this wired, okay? The core, the P64, this older model, obviously has a wireless. You know, in a way, you can detachable wire. I don't know why they didn't do it with P80. The reason why I love the detachable, because it's so convenient. Okay, you don't have to worry about this wire hanging from the grinder. I know I am nitpicking it, but I wish they changed it. All right, see you guys next time.